Cricket Wireless BridgePay is a payment flexibility service that allows you to split your monthly bill into two separate payments, helping you maintain uninterrupted service even when finances are tight. BridgePay is available to existing Cricket customers who have an active monthly plan. The key requirement is that you must enroll within 7 days before or after your original payment due date. Here's how BridgePay works. You make an initial payment that covers a portion of your monthly bill, plus a BridgePay fee. Then you have 7 days to pay the remaining balance. The BridgePay fee structure is straightforward. $5 for single-line accounts and $15 for multi-line accounts. This fee is charged with your initial payment. If you need more time to make your second payment, you can add a BridgePay extension within the original 7-day period. This gives you another 7 days to pay, but the same fees apply again. BridgePay provides financial flexibility by allowing you to split your Cricket bill into manageable payments, helping you maintain service continuity when you need it most. Before you can activate BridgePay, you must first turn off AutoPay in your Cricket account. Don't worry, you can reactivate AutoPay after you've enrolled in BridgePay. You can access BridgePay through multiple channels. The Cricket Wireless app provides a convenient way to manage your payments and enroll in BridgePay directly from your phone. Cricket will send you text message reminders before your second payment is due. You have 7 days after your initial payment to complete the remaining balance. If you miss the second payment, you'll need to pay the next month's bill in full to restore service. However, you can cancel BridgePay anytime before the original due date, and any fees already paid will be applied as credits to your account. BridgePay is actively promoted in Cricket Wireless stores, online, and through the app. However, keep in mind that some users express concerns about the additional fees, suggesting it might not be ideal if you're already struggling financially.